This iPhone application is Ringtones, and this lets you create your own ringtones for free. Click Edit and Convert. You can customize your own ringtones. Now, OK, continue. You can use song library or microphone. Call ringtones. So now just click on the song. I'm going to do advanced conversion. Then it plays the first 5 seconds. And click next. And then to the last 5 seconds. Click next. Click fade in. Build preview. Now it's converting. Then if you like the ringtone, click on Sounds Good, convert it. Then you can name it. Then go into Settings, go to Sounds, and Ringtone. It will appear there. And then you'll be able to select it as a ringtone.